This 2021 Keystone Bullet 273 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, external shower, LP detector, microwave, TV, auxiliary battery, water heater, spare tire kit, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Bullet 273 BHS is 5,371 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.